Hello students, welcome back to my computer video. So let us start a new chapter today in this video. The new chapter is chapter number 8, that is Introduction to Flash CS3. So what is Flash CS3? So you have seen the cartoons in a computer and in your television you have seen cartoons. Okay. You have seen animated movies. So how they are made? Okay. How they are made, by which software they can be made. So all these things you will learn in Flash CS3. So Flash is a software package that is used for creating interactive web pages. First thing, it is used to create interactive web pages, different types of interesting web pages that combine images, sounds, videos and animations. Okay, so different types of web pages you can create by combination of images, sounds and videos and animations. So you can use Flash to create both drawings and animations. Understood? So animations means the moving objects. So every cartoon you see, every animated movies you see, all are having the animations. Now let's see, getting started with Flash. So you can follow these steps to start Flash. So first of all, you have to download Flash from the internet, then you have to install it in your computer, then you can start the Flash. You can follow the steps. To start, click Start, then select all programs, Adobe Premium Design CS3. So Adobe company develops the Flash CS3. So that's why name is given Adobe Premium Design CS3. Then click Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Okay, this is the name. The opening screen appears. So figure 8.1 shows the opening screen. So it shows three pans: open a recent item, create new and create from template. So in the next page you can see this is the opening screen of Flash CS3. Okay, opening screen. So Flash CS3 Professional. So getting started, new features, all these things are given here. So this picture is not so much good, it is not clear. So under create new, click Flash file. The Flash file window appears, the main components of which are shown figure 8.2. So create new, you have to click here create new. Okay, so these three pans are the open a recent item, create new and create from template. So you have to click create file and you have to click flash file 3.0. This you have to click, then you will get this next screen. This is the main screen of Flash CS3, main window. Okay, so you can see title bar is there, menu bar is there. So this is the stage where you can draw anything, property inspector panel, then these are the tools panel. Okay, so this is the components of Flash window, this is the screen of Flash window. Next page please. So next page is about tools panel. So here you will see about the tools panel. What is tools panel? So here you can see these are the tools, different types of tools to draw the objects. The tool panel is located on the far left of the window. Okay, it is in the left side of the window. It has tools to create or modify drawings and text. So you can create the drawings or text, you can modify the drawings. So you select a tool by clicking it. How can you select? By clicking it, you can select any tool. So some tools have a single triangle at the bottom or right corner. So you can see some triangles have single this triangle corner. Okay, in some tools have this triangle. On clicking it, a pop-up menu appears with a more related tool. That means when you click this small black triangle, more options will come. So when you select a tool, tools modifier appear at the bottom of the tools panel. Okay, when you select any tool, tool modifier will come in the bottom of the tools panel. These are used to set tools options. Now the tools panel is divided into four areas. See, this is the areas: options, colors, view and tools. So what are these? Tools area contains selection, drawing and painting tools. So this tools area contain all the drawing and painting tools. Then view area contains zooming tools. This is a view area, it has the zooming tools, you can zoom it, zoom any picture. Then colors area contains the tools for changing color. So this is the color area where you can change the colors. Then option area contain modifier for the currently selected tool. So it's the option area. So these are the modifiers, you can modify the selected tools. The next is the hand tool. The hand tool is used for clicking and dragging while holding down the mouse button. So you can, so this is, you can see this is the hand tool. Okay, You can hold and drag by clicking the mouse button any object, any drawing. The magnifier or zoom tool has two options. This is the magnifier tool. So this magnifying lens picture. So magnifier or zoom tool is used, has two options: enlarge or zoom in. So what is the meaning of enlarge? It will make the object large. That means zoom in. Allows you to view the drawing up close. And reduce or zoom out means pulls you away from the drawing by showing it to a lower magnification. So when you are seeing any photo in your mobile phone, you zoom it, okay? So that is called zoom in, to make it large, and to make it small, to make it reduce, that is called zoom out. Okay, these are the two functions of magnifier tool. Next is the property inspector. What is property inspector? So anything you add to flash document is called an object. So anything means any object you add in draw, that is called object. The property inspector is the panel that displays the property of the selected object. So whatever object you have selected, it will show the properties of that object. So these are tools are also called objects. So whatever tools you are selecting, so their property will shown in the property inspector panel. An object could be text, images, lines, or shapes. So whatever you draw, whether you draw any shape, lines, picture, so those objects properties will be displayed in the property inspector. The list of properties displayed in this panel will vary according to the object selected. For example, if you select the line tool, the properties displayed will be color, line thickness, and line style. Okay, so if you have selected line tool, if you draw any line, then it will show the color of the line, thickness of the line, style of the line. Thus you can view and change the properties as you work. So you can change the properties also, they are in the property inspector panel. If you do not see the property inspector panel in the flash window, you can get it through these steps. So it is by default, it is there, you can see in the previous page. So this is the property inspector panel, okay, this panel in the bottom. So if it is not present, then you can um, bring it by following step. So select window, then properties, click on properties, then again properties. The property inspector panel appears at the bottom of the screen. So it is always in the bottom of the screen. So when you are not working with the property inspector, you can minimize it. To collapse the panel, click the minimize icon. So if you want to collapse it, that means you have to minimize it. You can see in this picture, this is the property inspector panel. So if you are not using it, you can click on this minimize icon, it will go down again. Then to open the property inspector, click again the maximize icon. So again, if you want to open it, then again click the maximize icon here. Okay, this is the maximize icon. Now again it will open. Understood? So this is the property inspector panel. The next is the grid. What is the meaning of grid? Grid is a system of intersecting horizontal and vertical lines on the stage. So stage means the area, white area where you draw anything. So grid is a system of intersecting lines. That means lines will be like this, horizontal lines and the vertical lines, they are intersecting each other. By default, grid lines are not visible, so it is not visible in the screen. The grid is helpful while creating graphics. Okay, it helps you to place and align objects at a particular position on the stage. So what is the use of grid? Grid will help to create any graphics, and it will help to place any object in a particular position on the stage. Okay, the grid shows the position where it is located. So you can change the size of the grid square to suit your drawing. You can change the size of the grid also. To display the grid, you have to click view, then click grid, then click show grid. And this is the shortcut keyboard shortcut to show grid and show or hide rulers. Okay, so what is called ruler? Ruler means scale. The flash window can display rulers on the top and left side of the stage. To show or hide the ruler, click view and rulers. Next is the default unit of the ruler is what? It is a pixel. Okay, again it is a question, what is the default unit of pixel? What is the default unit of ruler? The default unit of ruler is pixel, which can be changed by selecting modify, then click document. You have the option of using inches, decimal inches, points, centimeters, millimeters, or addition to pixel. So these are the different units for the ruler, but the default unit is pixel. Understood? Now the next is creating a new flash document. Now you have understood what are the objects, what are the components, what are the tools present in the flash. So now you want to create any flash document, new document, where you want to draw anything. So you have to select the file, then click new. The new document dialog box is displayed, so it is shown in the next page. So like this. Okay, new document, you have to click flash file, then click OK. Then select flash file in the type list and click OK button. Okay. Next is setting document properties. Now the flash document is open, and then how can you set the document properties? When a new document is created, it opens with the default setting for the movie properties. So you are creating any movie, that means you want to do some animation, you want to do first of all you want to draw some object, then you want to do some animation. So the default settings are given here. You can modify the movie properties by selecting modify and document. The document property dialog box is displayed. So this is the document properties dialog box. If you want to change the properties of your document, then you can open it and open this document properties. Then you can change it, like dimension of the document, background color, it is by default it is white, frame rate is 12 fps. So by default the frame rate is always 12 fps. By default the ruler unit is always pixel, you have just now seen in the previous page. Okay, these are the default setting. So it is written default color is white, background color is always white. Okay, frame rate is always 12. So these are the default settings already done. If you want to change the settings, you can do it here. Now next is saving a flash file. So after creating a flash document, after doing everything, now you want to save it. So what are the steps to save? Click file, then save as button. Save as dialog box will appear. Select the drive and folder where you want to save it. Type the file name according to your choice, then click the save button. The file will save with extension .fla. So this is an important question. What is the file extension of flash file? It is .fla. Okay. Next is opening a flash document. Now you want to open the flash document. So you have saved one flash document. Now any other day you want to open it now. Now how to open? Steps to open an already saved flash file document are: click file, then click open. The dialog box, open dialog box will appear. Select the drive and folder where you have saved it. Now select the file. Okay, then click open button. Your document, flash document, will open on the screen. Understood? And this is the shortcut of open and shortcut of save. So in this way we have seen many new things about flash CS3. So today's video is up to here. Please watch the full video for understanding. Okay, so till then, thank you.